Hello, I'm Laura Reeves with Coldwell Banker Real Properties. I'm here at a fabulous home in Timber Creek. It's on Aspen Circle. Aspen Circle is a very convenient in and out street in Timber Creek. This home actually has a rear facing garage, so that's actually a nice feature to add curb appeal. A great covered entryway, and then you've got the tongue and groove ceiling. Gorgeous, looks like just in pristine condition, double solid wood front doors with the transom. As I come inside, do have a true foyer here, so a nice place for a beautiful foyer piece, and then a very open floor plan. Couple of things that make it look super open is the fact that you have wood floors basically everywhere you can see, from the hallway, great room, kitchen, dining room, foyer. So that just gives great continuity. The other thing that makes it feel so open and spacious is the fact you've got 12-foot ceilings and really beautiful crown molding. The formal dining room is right here, has great wall space and great window space. You've got your triple window with the arched at the top, and then you have actually two walls. One wall here you can have a china cabinet and a buffet, which is really nice for that person who enjoys and appreciates their nice formal furniture. The great room, plenty of space. You could do a sectional, you could do, definitely sofa, love seat and chairs. So plenty of space, and you've got built-ins on either side of the fireplace. The fireplace is gas log. Just a beautiful place. Transoms above windows, triple windows across the back, and then a very large breakfast area with, once again, your triple windows. So you really have great visibility from the house out into the yard. The yard's actually private. It's gorgeous landscaping. Off this back hallway, you have kind of some utility space, a half bath for guests, a coat closet, and then a laundry room that has a mud sink in it. Really a nice feature. Kitchen is very generous in size. You've got recessed lights, pendulum lights, and then great countertop space. Super bright kitchen, lots of storage. All that entire wall full of cabinetry is very nice. Tile backsplash. Plenty of drawers, a good spacious island with a workspace, and then of course a fabulous farmhouse sink, which is such a treat. This back hallway here, I'm calling it back, maybe it might actually be the front. You do have wood floors that actually carry you all the way into the master. Walk-in closet, double windows, and I actually love that little window there above the master, the bed. Look kind of almost like a headboard on top of a headboard. Very pretty, plenty of room for a king-size bed and all the furniture you would want. The master bathroom, you do have your separate tub and shower, and then linen closet, water closet, and then a really nice storage here with the double sink and the full-size mirror. Great lighting. You've got his and her side, and then drawers and cabinetry for both, actually. So this is a split bedroom plan. It's just under 2,500 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Really all one story, and brick just has so many features that buyers want today, which is once again a split floor plan. As I mentioned earlier, you do have wood floors that carry on into the hallway, and then a guest bedroom here. Great condition, double window. You even have crown molding here, ceiling fan, and then a linen closet in the hallway. Your bath number 2 has a nice pedestal sink and oversized shower. And then guest bedroom number 3, you've got a nice window here. So you got lots of arches, kind of provide some interest at the front of the house, and then great ceiling height. So if you wanted an office, this would be a great office with that window and that ceiling height. Feel very spacious. Now, there's one thing that this seller has done to this house that really is over the top, and they actually added a sunroom. Sometimes sunrooms, people don't put the money in it, and it looks like just a little, access space off the back of the house. But this sunroom actually was done over the top. The ceiling height is fabulous. Once again, you've got 12-foot ceilings. You've got floor-to-ceiling windows with transoms. You've got moldings around your windows, the tongue and groove ceiling, recessed lights, hardwood floors. Really great space. So it still allows, with between the ceiling height and the size of the window, still allows great light to come into the home. So really this one, I give it an A++. Really a fabulous addition, a great addition. You could make it an office, a sitting space, a bonus room, a playroom, whatever you wanted to do. That's probably the room that you're truly going to live in. And then the backyard, I'm going to show you really quickly. I will go through the garage here to the backyard because it is a great house, great yard. The yard is good size in the fact that it's nice and level. Some of the homes on Aspen Circle, you kind of don't have really good yards, but this yard actually, you've got this little patio, great to grill on, but also just really spacious. Well landscaped, well manicured, and nice and level. Plenty of parking, and I see room if you have a child, even for a basketball goal if you need that. Once again, I'm Laura Reeves with Coldwell Banker Real Properties. My number is 251-490-8402. Thanks.